Alright, so Fedora 44 officially released, and in this video I am upgrading my Fedora 43 system right now. I'll show both methods, the GUI way for normal users and the terminal way if you don't even have a desktop environment installed. So whichever setup you use, this should help. First, before doing any major Fedora upgrade, make sure your important files are backed up. Major Fedora upgrades are usually smooth, but still don't gamble your data. Also, make sure your system is fully updated before starting. Alright, coming to method 1 for GUI upgrade. So if you use the normal Fedora desktop with the GNOME, this is the easiest method. Just open software, go to the update section, and after Fedora detects the new release, you should see Fedora 44 available here. Just click download. Then Fedora will now download all required packages in the background. Once it finishes, you'll get a restart and upgrade button. Just click that. And then Fedora will reboot into the upgrade environment automatically. Honestly, this is probably the simplest Linux upgrade experience right now. Alright, coming to method 2, the terminal upgrade. Now, if you don't use GNOME or you are on a minimal install or server setup or window manager or something like kiosk or literally no GUI at all, then this is the method you want. If your boot partition is small, then Fedora may fail while downloading new kernels. So you can check available space using df-h boot. If needed, remove older kernels before continuing. First, update the current Fedora 43 packages. So we are going to run sudo dnf-upgrade --refresh. Once that finishes, reboot once. So run reboot. Now we install the system upgrade plugin. So we do sudo dnf install dnf-plugin-system-upgrade. Usually it's already installed on Fedora workstation, but minimal systems may not have it. Now download Fedora 44 packages. So sudo dnf system upgrade download --release ver equals 44. So release version 44. This can take some time depending on your internet speed. So if Fedora complains about dependency conflicts, then you can try --allow erasing in this command only. But read carefully before accepting package removals. Sometimes it's just old copper packages or outdated dependencies that just cause conflicts. Once everything is downloaded successfully, just reboot with sudo dnf offline reboot. Now the system will reboot into Fedora's offline upgrade mode. So this is the part where Fedora basically upgrades the whole operating system outside the running session. So depending on your hardware, this can take anywhere from a few minutes to much longer. Well, so just let it finish. Now at this time, do not force shut down the machine. And we are back. Now let's verify the upgrade. So you can do cat etc fedora release. And there it is, Fedora Linux 44. Now everything seems to be working properly so far, and here GNOME Now you can go to about section also, and you can see Fedora 44 and GNOME 50. So Fedora 44 brings new packages, newer kernel version, and GNOME 50 updated KDE Plasma versions and overall improvements across the system. I'll test it more over the next few days with my normal workflow and projects, but first impressions are solid. So if you upgrade it too, just let me know how it went for you. And if this video helped, you know what to do. Thanks for watching.